Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to open the VS Code IDE directly inside your Google Chrome or Firefox browser. For this you simply need to open this website which is provided by Microsoft, which is vscode.dev. Simply go to the browser and type this website and simply open this, and your VS Code will open directly right here. And here you can actually do all these modifications. You can create a new file, a text file. You can write some basic stuff right here. In this easy way, you don't require VS Code to be installed. Simply visit vscode.dev. So this is Google Chrome. It also works on Firefox as well. Simply you need to type this website, which is vscode.dev, and then your VS Code will open directly inside the browser itself, and here then you can actually open any sort of folder. You can connect to SSH or connect to any tunnel remote repository as well. So if you want to open any GitHub repo as well, you can even do that as well. There is one restriction that you can't directly open folders and files in an online version. For this, you need to require the offline version. But here you can do something like, if you want to open the folder here, so you can read all the files here. You can see it's very easy. If you have a project available for you, you can easily open it, see the source code here, edit it. It's very easy. But obviously you can't run this. You can simply read the source code, make changes as well, and then save it. So it's really easy. You simply select, after making the changes, autosave is automatically on. So some restrictions are there. You can't access your extensions, but there is this fun little way by which you can go to vscode.dev and then access your VS Code directly in the browser itself. So this is a fun little way. So if you don't have VS Code installed, then you can actually use this. So you can actually make some changes right here. So, so it will automatically trigger once you make some changes, save changes, click the save changes button. After that, it also offers you some settings, extensions. Some extensions are available, some are not available. So this live server, this extension is not available in VS Code for the web. So for this, you can't run the code, but still you can see and edit the code itself. So in this easy way, guys, you can open VS Code directly in the browser itself. Thank you very much. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.